how to activate Citibank card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can activate your Citibank card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to go ahead and then basically register your Citibank card, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Citi mobile banking application here. Now all you have to do is, if you'd like to activate your card, so let me just come back to the home screen. I'll just tap the Citi mobile app. You can tap the register or activate option from the bottom here, and over here you can see it says register or activate a card. So first of all, make sure to basically log into your online banking account. After you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically activate your Citibank card, as you can see over here, after you set up your online access. This way you'll be able to activate your Citibank card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.